If you have ever wanted to blow up the world, scare the living daylights out of someone, leap tall buildings, or beat an entire army single-handed, then welcome to Hollywood. Sound Ideas proudly presents the zaniest, the wildest, the most spine-chilling, larger-than-life collection of famous Hollywood sound effects you have ever heard. Now you can make it big in Hollywood with Sound Ideas Series 4000 Hollywood edition of larger-than-life sound effects. You'll find 2,200 amazing sounds, all digitally recorded on 5 compact discs. Hollywood categories include Foley, Special, Horror, Musical, and many more, such as bells, horns, vocal, human sounds, and wild and crazy gizmo effects. And you won't have to run around or bark up the wrong tree. Looking for just the right effect. Because as with all Sound Ideas libraries, all the effects are at your fingertips with an indispensable catalog. And naturally, the library comes in its own personal carrying case.
The Sound Ideas Hollywood Edition. Sounds incredible.